Ciao bellissimi! Welcome to VSH Media, where we bring the bella vita to your listings. I'm your host, Giovanni, and today we dive into the magical world of virtual staging. You see, my friends, selling a listing is like making the perfect pizza. It's all about the toppings. And our virtual staging, it's like the freshest mozzarella, the ripest tomatoes. Mamma mia, it's irresistible. Look at this room. Before, it was empty like my plate after spaghetti night. But now, it's warm, welcoming, a place you can call sold. That's what VSH Media does. We dress up your listings to make buyers say, I want this one. But wait, there's more. We at VSH Media, we don't just make your listings look like €1,000,000. With our Sell Your Listing Guarantee, if your listing doesn't sell in 90 days, we come back, restage, and remarket at no extra cost to you. It's like having your nonna's cooking insurance. If the first lasagna doesn't bring the family together, she'll cook another until everyone's at the table. Capiche? So, whether you're looking to spice up a quaint two-bedroom or a grand villa, VSH Media's virtual staging is your secret ingredient. And with our guarantee, it's like having the best chef in the kitchen, only the best results, every time. Join us at VSH Media. Let's make your listing shine brighter than the sun over the Amalfi Coast. Arrivederci, and remember, every listing has its story. Let us help you tell it beautifully. Andiamo.